After you have added the tomatoes, you want to make sure that you keep moving them around to make sure that they break down, make it soft. Our stock is starting to heat up, but there's still a couple of chunks in here, so we're going to stir that up to help that break down. And you want to keep an eye on your potatoes. Be sure to keep flipping them so that they get crispy and cooked on both sides. Alright, now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of flour. Two tablespoons of paprika. We're going to stir this up. You can see how it's all starting to gum up together. So we're going to measure out a half a cup of our vegetable stock. Then we're going to stir. Making sure we don't get any gummy balls of flour or paprika. There's one. Then we're just going to let this simmer until most of the liquid, but not all, has evaporated.